What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract, as you can see here, to be exact, skincare hacks, skincare reviews, product reviews, and just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. To make a serum that both brightens your skin, smooths your skin, and boost the booty, you will need 4 ingredients. First of all is going to be your maca extract. This here is the Get It How You Live Vitality. You know I've spoken about it before. We are going to be putting that into the mixture. Shea butter. The one that I have here is from 1816 Supply. The link will be in the description. I have it right here. That's my own personal one. Olive oil, which you know, olive oil is very, very good for the skin. Just to tighten it, smooth, brighten, all of that. Very good for the skin. And last but not least, fenugreek oil. And we will be adding these things and simply mixing them up, and I will show you how to do so. Lego. So what you're going to want to do is take some of the shea butter, about this much, and put it into your container. Okay.
Let's mash that down.
You're then going to want to add your olive oil. Put it right on the shea butter. Then going to want to add the maca extract. Make sure you are getting the drops right on there as well. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, your fenugreek oil. You then want to take the mixture and just do this number, mix it all up. You can use a spoon to kind of mash it down and mix it all up too. Whatever is the easiest thing for you. And you can get it to, like I said, a consistency that you like. You can actually whip it if you want. I just usually mash it up and do it like so. Glutes, like so. One thing that I like about this shea butter is that it melts very nicely into the skin. And honestly, by the time I like the scent, I don't even mind the scent of the fenugreek, the maca, the olive oil, and the shea butter all mixed together. It's not the worst. It's just like I don't know, like a nutty scent, if you will. And you're gonna rub it into your buttocks like so. I say do this once daily. You can do this in the morning or at night. But if you do it at night, you're just really letting it just, you know, seep into the skin and all of that. If you lie directly on your bed, then yes, you might get it a little bit greasy. So I wouldn't suggest necessarily doing this and then being naked. But if you're going to put clothing over it, you're good to go. And you can also use this as a skin moisturizer. Use this as a skin moisturizer. Use it on your thighs to get everything looking right. You know what I mean? Hip area. You can honestly use it wherever. Do this once a day or twice a day if you'd like. And I say give it a solid month. For anything I say give it a solid month before you say yay or nay, or if you really see results. But you may even see results in as early as a couple weeks. And if you are drinking the shakes with this, it will only improve things. This by itself is not bad, but if you drink the shakes with it, it will only improve things. If you exercise with it, targeting the glute area, the areas that you are trying to focus on, again, that will only improve things. That is the end of this video. Please, if you feel so inclined, do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll holla.